After extensive investigations, finally I purchased air conditioner unit for my bedroom. I will be sharing my experience, what are the things you need to take care while installing the AC, and how much you should pay for the installation. At the end, I will explain you why I purchased LG, not other the branch. So let us start. Here you can see that this guys mechanic from came and they are trying start the installations. Keep in the mind that engineers should be from the LG company only, should not be any local guys. And as you see that they came with the LG uniform. And also don't try to open the box once it delivered to your house, because if anything missing you will be taking care. So wait for the engineers to come home and wait them to open the box. He took the measurement at what height they should put the AC. So always keep 10 to 12 inch from the ceiling to install your AC. It will help you to cleaning the AC after that. So must be 10 inch or 12 inch gap should be there from the top. Now this guy is taking the measurement, so where the AC should be there. So as my knowledge, don't put the AC in front of your bed, because in night they will compete, air will come on your head and might be not very comfortable. So it will be choose another place. And I'm installing on above the windows. So I'm making AC must be there the middle of the window for the looking wise good. And if you see here one important thing, that they have to take one hole for passing or the two copper wires. So as this is the simple wall, so I didn't go for the core cutting. Core cutting is expensive. You should not go the core cutting if you have the simple wall. If you have the concrete wall, then only you should go for the core cutting. Otherwise this installation guys is enough to make one very nice hole. Only keep in mind while the hole put some this kind of the plastic, so it will collect all the debris from there and it will not make your house dirty. And as per the measurement they are drilling to hang the plate. So 2 3 things keep in mind, that hole should be inside, should go inside the AC, should not be visible from outside. And all these make some see this guy is taking the particular alignment, right? So it should not go up and down. Those things also you have to take care. So now they will fit the indoor unit. So they are adding the cable wire that will go outside. They are making the thin of the copper wire, so it should easily pass out to that hole. The hole size is 2.5 inch diameter, and 2 3 times you should say to these guys to make very peacefully, very nicely cutting, otherwise it may disturb your wall, painting, everything. Remove all those curtains if it is near to the installation place. This guy is cutting the small hole to pass the electric wire, so it should not visible. He has already hang the frame, and on top of that they will hang this AC. See, this is passing the three things: one two copper wire, one for input, one for output, and one the electric wire for the outdoor unit. For that it should have the 2.5 inch gap, and see now that hole will go behind the AC. After installations it will not visible. Now he is fitting the topmost cover part, so everything will be hide now. See, yeah.
इसको सिर्फ ऐसे लिफ्ट करके पुल करना है,
इसको साफ करना है,
मंथली वंस क्लीन कर लेना है। उसके बाद ऐसे पहले पुल करके रिमूव करने का टाइम में हुक रहता है, लिफ्ट करके पुल करना।
ओके, हाँ।
So now the indoor part has been completely done. Now we came the outside. 2-3 things very important while installing the outdoor unit. One, it should be installed the place where after some time your maintenance guys can come, or any problem come in the AC, they should come and easily they can go to your outdoor unit. It should not be very different strange place. Another important thing is that you should have the LG stand only. So I showed in the photo, you should have the stand from the LG company only, because they are very strong. And I taken all the measurement, and if you see, I am putting on the window roof. So the right side I have kept some place, so if any engineer has to get down, they can easily get down. So I'm making little bit left side. Keep the height in such a way that any engineer who comes for the maintenance or fix the problem, their hand should go to directly to the machine without going here there. And now they are
क्या चीज़ का साउंड था?
वो नाइट्रोजन डाल के रहता है, अंदर का कॉइल में कुछ लीक है तो अगर नाइट्रोजन नहीं है तो उसमें लीक है, कुछ डैमेज के कुछ
ये पता चल गया कि वहाँ डैमेज नहीं है ना?
कुछ डैमेज नहीं।
are joining the inside copper cable to the outside. So make this cable the U shape, should not have the 90-degree turn, otherwise compressor gas would not be easily go past here there. So see, they will make the U kind of shape. And by default company gave you 3 meter copper wire for the input and output. So I did not cut it, as it is required only for the 1 meter for me. I told him to make the circle and keep behind the out door unit. So in some time, if I want to move my house here there, or I want to AC move here there, that extra wire might be useful. So that's why I kept the extra wire behind the outdoor unit. So now they are trying to do that. Also, one important thing I forgot to tell you, when they will open the nut inside unit, you might have heard some sound, that is the nitrogen gas sound. So just for the confirmation, is everything is working, everything is intact, there is no damage during the transportations. They fill the nitrogen gas, and once you installation, they will remove the nitrogen gas. If gas is not coming out, means some issues is there. So now they are fixing the outside copper wire with the inside what it came from the inside, and see, they are making it very nicely curved. So wire should not be at 90 degrees, should be the curve. Now I paid extra money to cover all the wire with some vapor plastic kind of things, so it will help in the sunlight or the raining water. So that one tape came, and how much it went, I told just to put one vapor wire. Now finally they are bringing the outdoor unit, and if you see, this person is standing here, right? So that much space I have left on the right side, so even engineer has to get down, he can easily get down here, and all the connections is there on the right side only. So that's why I have to give some gap, and see, from the wall I have given almost a good enough gap. So keep one thing, important thing, you all the 4 sides, or I can say all the 6 sides, you should have the gap for the good ventilations, up, down, bottom, left, right, back, front, every side, right? So now he is connecting the copper wire connection to the outdoor unit. Many people do the testing, so you can, I did not do that, but you can do the testing with some detergent soap, whether gas is coming out or not. Now he is connecting the electric wire. Now he is connecting the extra water outlet. So it does not come with the the installation cartoons, the what you purchase. You have to pay the extra money for this pipe. After everything is done, we gave some POP, plaster of Paris, to cover the hole, so water should not go there. Many people give some the solutions to full waterproofing. I have not done that. So after completed the outdoor installations, we again came back and put on the 3-pin. 3-pin is there to give the electricity over there. 3-pin does not come. Now they started the AC. They are explaining me now.
ये ऑरेंज वाला ऑन ऑफ
हाँ ऑन ऑफ हाँ
और ये लाइट ऑफ, डिस्प्ले लाइट ऑन ऑफ हो जाता है।
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ
और ये बीप साउंड आ रहा है ना, कौन सा बटन प्रेस किए तो भी इसे बीप साउंड आएगा।
अच्छा, अगर ये डिस्प्ले ऑन करना होगा तो वहाँ दबाएंगे तो डिस्प्ले में क्या क्या आएगा?
एचसी और टेम्परेचर सेट किया तो सब टेम्परेचर बाकी फंक्शन का सब दिखाएगा। और ये बीप साउंड भी आप अवॉइड करना है तो ऑफ करना है तो लाइट ऑफ बटन को 3 सेकंड होल्ड करना है
और 3 सेकंड
ऑफ आ गया उधर। और अभी कुछ आवाज कुछ भी नहीं आएगा।
ओके ओके।
और फिर से 3 सेकंड होल्ड किया तो ऑन हो जाएगा।
ओके
अभी साउंड आ गया। और ये वाला कंफर्ट है, कंफर्ट एयर आके आपको नाइट टाइम में यूज कर सकते हैं। ये वाला है ना, कंफर्ट एयर सेलेक्ट किया तो स्विंग पूरा ऊपर होके स्टॉप होता है।
ओके ओके हाँ, तो स्विंग अब नीचे नहीं आएगा स्विंग।
हाँ नहीं, ये देख लीजिए।
हाँ हाँ
अभी कंफर्ट एयर प्रेस किया, ऊपर जाके स्टॉप हो जाता है। कूलिंग डायरेक्ट नहीं,
नीचे नहीं आएगा,
नहीं
ऊपर
आएगा। पूरा रूम चलाने के बाद कूलिंग इफेक्ट पता चलेगा। नाइट टाइम में ये यूज किया तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट मारे रहते इफेक्ट रहता है। इसमें अच्छा है आपको नाइट पूरा
नाइट में कंफर्ट में ज़्यादा अच्छा है।
मूड में के 3 मोड्स रहते हैं। स्टार आके कूलिंग मोड है, अभी चल रहा है ना। ये वाला मानसून विंटर में, इसमें टेम्परेचर नहीं, ऑटोमेटिक रूम टेम्परेचर सेंस करके ऑटोमेटिक कूलिंग देता है। लास्ट वन फैन, ओनली फैन रन होता है। और ये टेम्परेचर अप एंड डाउन वाला है।
फैन से क्या होगा बिना एसी का?
सिर्फ फैन, कूलिंग नहीं आएगा, हवा आएगा।
अच्छा, हवा बस इसके सामने आएगा ना?
सामने आएगा। ये अप एंड डाउन रहता है टेम्परेचर का। ये है कि 10 H कम करने के लिए। इसमें 80, 60, 40 ऐसा रहता है। 80 बोलेगा तो 1.5 टन है, वही आप 60 सेट किया तो 1 टन हो जाता है। मानसून विंटर में एसी का कैपेसिटी कम कर सकते हैं, पावर भी कम यूज हो जाएगा। और 40.8 हो जाएगा, और भी 1 टन से भी कम हो जाएगा। और ये इसमें 2 ऑप्शन है, एक विराट एक डायट। अभी विराट में एचसी
मतलब विराट,
हाईकूल
हाँ
विराट। और सेकेंड वन डीसी एक डायट है। डायट मोड बोलेगा तो आपको पावर सेविंग हो जाएगा।
बट टेम्परेचर में भी चेंज नहीं होगा डायट में?
टेम्परेचर चेंज होगा नहीं, डायट में रखेगा तो टेम्परेचर कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होगा। इधर डीसी दिखाएगा, उधर डीसी दिखाएगा, और रूम टेम्परेचर के हिसाब से ऑटोमेटिक कूलिंग देगा। ये आपको समर में यूज नहीं होगा, मानसून विंटर में यूज होगा डायट मोड।
तो कितना टेम्परेचर पे रहता है डीसी? और रूम टेम्परेचर पे रहेगा?
रूम टेम्परेचर के हिसाब से सेंस करके। और ये सब हो गया। और ये स्विंग अप एंड डाउन वाला है। फिर एंगल दिखाता है, अभी फुल डाउन में, अभी थोड़ा 1 स्टेप ऊपर हो जाएगा, जा रहा है ऊपर। और ये सेकंड
तो कितना रखना चाहिए हमको स्विंग को?
स्विंग आपको कौन सा डायरेक्शन में चाहिए वो डायरेक्शन में सेट कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा, स्विंग बेड साइड चाहिए।
हाँ। और रूम टेम्परेचर रखे, रूम कितना हीट है बताएगा। अभी ये रूम 29 डिग्री टेम्परेचर है। और ये सब सेपरेट फंक्शन है। स्लीपर टाइमर, इसमें अप एंड डाउन करके टाइम सेलेक्ट करके इसमें सेट और कैंसिल। स्लीपर का मून सिंबल है इधर। स्लीपर 1 to 7 आवर्स रहता है, कितना टाइम चाहिए उतना सेलेक्ट करके इधर सेट करना है। अभी
तो उतना ऑफ हो जाएगा।
ऑफ हो जाएगा। अभी सेट हो गया, मून सिंबल आता है, फिर से प्रेस किया तो कैंसिल, मून सिंबल चलेगा। टाइमर करके ऑन करके दिखाता है, टाइम सेट करना है, सेट। अभी सेट हो गया ऑन में, फिर से प्रेस किया तो ऑफ।
उतने टाइम में ऑन हो जाएगा?
ऑन हो जाएगा। ओके सर। बाकी मैनुअल में भी रहता है। और कुछ डाउट्स प्रॉब्लम्स है तो मेरे नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
ओके, तो अभी अगर मुझे नॉर्मली यूज क्या होता है?
नॉर्मली यूज है कि आपको अभी समर में एक ऑन करने का, ऑन करता है ना, वो टाइम में 10-15 मिनट हाई कूल में चलाना है।
हाई कूल में
जल्दी पूरा रूम अभी देख लीजिए चिल हो गया। जैसे टेम्परेचर होने के बाद 18 नहीं तो 20 ऐसे यूज कर सकते हैं। समर में 20 के अंदर यूज करना है।
ओके।
और इतना नॉइस नहीं आएगा, हाई कूल में इतना नॉइस आ रहा है। नॉर्मल इतना, ये नॉर्मल नॉइस है।
This is my installation cost as per the February 2024. but this price may be changed as per the different city, so you can check before installation. Now let me tell you why I prefer the LG company compared to other companies. So my room size is not big high, so I did not go for the heavy duty AC like the Daikin's or the Blue Star or the General, right? So for the small size rooms, if you have the under 200 square feet, so LG, Samsung's, this company are good. And again, for the small size room under the 200 square feet, 1.5 ton is okay. So I went for the 1.5 ton. I had the doubt between the LG and the Samsung, which I one should prefer. So most of people I saw in my community society, they have gone for the LG and it's running fine for the multiple of years. So I thought go for the LG. And one important thing with the LG is the noise waiver is compared to other companies very less. So you will have a very limited noise waiver, and the price was also very economic. So this was the reason I went for the LG. And why I go for the 3 star, why I didn't go for the 5 star? The price difference was the almost 7 to 8k between 3 star and 5 star. If and saving was not much high as per the company recommendation. In 1 year I more than only 200 units it will be consumed. So it would be take almost 7 to 8 years to compensate the price of the 3 star and the 5 star. And I am staying the city where summer is only for the 2 months and not the whole day I have to run the AC. So I thought I should go for the 3 star only. So these are the main reasons I purchased the LG 3 star 1.5 ton, and I bought the 2024 models. It start from the TS, so everything should be the latest one. So these are my observations, and if you have any questions, we use the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And thank you very much. Hope we will come with the new videos. Thank you.